Can we qualify? What kind of relationship is that?
Nabitin ba kayo sa sagot ni Alden Richards sa GMA Integrated News interviews nila ni Catherine Bernardo? Ang sagot dyan ng Asia's multimedia star...
Ito naman... Kat... No, pero I mean,
No, it's just me asking.
The friendship that we have, Kath and I, parang, yun nga, like the whole team nung Hello, Love, Goodbye. Yung friendship na nabuo, whenever we see each other, it's like nothing has changed. And I guess you can't find much of that in this industry. Mahirap nang makahanap. The first time I met Kath, and while doing Hello, Love, Goodbye, parang very shy, very timid in a way. Parang she is parang trying to explore different things pa now. Nakaka-proud lang. She's a strong, independent woman.
Hanep, thanks po. I would say after this movie, mas nakilala ko si Alden, definitely. Kasi nung when we did Hello, Love, Goodbye, 2019.
Parang hindi tayo masyado kasi...
Parang that was purely where it helped me, all the experiences. Siguro ngayon, iba din yung medyo tumanda ako. Medyo mabilis lahat ng nangyari. So it's just sinking in now, I think. And I'm pretty nervous.
Yes, actually, in all projects naman, most especially this project, since this is very special to both of us.
I think it's just very comforting to know na I'm not doing this alone. Because, like what I said kanina, grabe lang siguro yung sobrang kinakabahan sa lahat. Lahat ng mangyayari. So it's just nice na feeling ko ngayon, hindi ko lang siya mag-isa hinaharap kasi kasama ko si Alden.
I don't want to spoil it, pero are we seeing a third sequel?
You know, let's talk again after you watch the...
Yes, we don't want... Ayaw namin salita ng tapos kasi mahirap na.
Pero kung kayong tatanungin, gusto nyo ba?
I think this will put an end
to Joy and Ethan's journey.